A prompt is a command or an action phrase used to communicate with artificial intelligence language models like ChatGPT or Gemini. It serves as the starting point for generating content. By providing a clear context and well-defined instructions, we ensure that these chatbots understand our request and generate an appropriate response. Learning to create effective prompts is essential thought for obtaining more accurate and coherent results, enabling us to make the most of these generative, text-based artificial intelligence tools. Here are some key recommendations for formulating effective prompts. Define a clear and specific objective to guide the chatbots. Keep your instructions concise and use natural language. Avoid ambiguities and open-ended questions. Provide sufficient context to obtain coherent responses. Pay attention to style and tone. Use specific words to guide results and clarify technical terms. Review your message to ensure clarity and relevance. Verbs act as the engine of artificial intelligence, serving as action words that guide the direction and structure of AI, informing it about which actions to take and what information to consider. In this regard, using the correct verbs can make a difference in the accuracy and relevance of the obtained responses. For example, using the verb analyze to request examining a data set can yield a more detailed response than using a generic verb like observe. Both the tone in which the results generated by the chatbots are written is also crucial. By selecting a consistent and appropriate tone, educators can strengthen their relationship with students, fostering trust and motivation. The tone can vary depending on the type of activity. For instance, a formal tone for complex topics, a friendly tone for personalized feedback, or a playful tone for educational games. By following these tips and basic guidelines, you can enhance the efficiency of ChatGPT and Gemini